American black bear. The American black bear, also known as Ursus Americanus, is a versatile and iconic mammal native to North America. Despite its name, its coat color varies from black to brown, cinnamon, and even white. With a stocky build, a distinctive shoulder hump, and keen senses, black bears are well equipped for survival in diverse habitats, ranging from forests to swamps and mountains. It is the smallest and most widely distributed of the 3 bear species found in North America, the other 2 being the brown bear and the polar bear. These omnivores have a flexible diet, consuming berries, fruits, insects, small mammals, and carrion. Their adaptability extends to their climbing and swimming skills, enabling them to access food sources and evade predators. Black bears play a crucial role in ecosystems, helping to maintain the balance of populations and contributing to seed dispersal. The American black bear has 16 subspecies, each with its own range and color variation. Some of the common names for these subspecies are cinnamon bear, glacier bear, and white bear. The American black bear is not considered a threatened species by the IUCN, as it has a large and stable population estimated at twice that of all other bear species combined. Conservation efforts are essential to protect the American black bear population. Human activities such as habitat loss, road mortality, and conflicts threaten their existence. Strategies include educating the public, managing waste to avoid attracting bears, and preserving their habitats. Their cultural significance in indigenous lore and modern media underlines their iconic status. In essence, the American black bear symbolizes adaptability, strength, and the delicate interconnectedness of nature. Appreciating and safeguarding these remarkable creatures ensures the continuation of their vital role in North America's wild landscapes. Physical characteristics. The American black bear has a black or dark brown coat that varies in color among individuals and regions. Some subspecies are called cinnamon bears, glacier bears, or white bears, depending on their coat color. The American black bear has a stocky body with a short tail and a small head supported by a strong neck. The ears are rounded and the eyes are small and dark. The muzzle is long and light brown, contrasting with the dark fur of the rest of the body. The claws are curved and non-retractable, adapted for climbing trees and digging for food. The American black bear can weigh between 60 to 300 kilograms for males and 40 to 150 kilograms for females, with the largest males reaching up to 2 m in length and 409 kilograms in weight. Habitat and range. The American black bear that inhabits a wide range of habitats across North America. The American black bear can be found in forests, mountains, meadows, riparian areas, and even near human settlements where food is available. The American black bear has a varied diet that includes plants, fruits, nuts, insects, honey, and occasionally meat. Depending on the region and the season, the American black bear may prefer different food sources. For example, in the spring, they eat emerging plants and animal carcasses, in the summer, they feast on berries and other fruits, and in the fall, they consume acorns, beech nuts, and other mast. The American black bear is an adaptable and opportunistic feeder that can also exploit human-related foods such as garbage, crops, or bird feeders. The American black bear has 16 subspecies that differ in size, color, and geographic distribution. The color of the fur can range from black to brown, cinnamon, blonde, or even white. Some black bears have white markings on their chest or face. The size of the black bear varies according to the availability of food and the quality of the habitat. The largest black bears are found in coastal regions where they have access to abundant salmon and other fish. Diet. The American black bear is a true omnivore, showcasing a remarkably diverse and flexible diet that reflects their adaptability to a wide range of environments. Their culinary preferences vary throughout the year based on seasonal availability and local resources. This dietary flexibility has contributed to their success as a species, allowing them to thrive in various habitats across North America. Seasonal variations. Black bears are skilled foragers, and their diet changes significantly throughout the year. In spring, their emergence from hibernation coincides with the abundance of plant matter like fresh grasses, emerging leaves, and flowering plants. These early season foods provide necessary nutrition as the bears recover from months of fasting. As summer arrives, the menu expands to include a diverse array of plant foods. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, become a staple in their diet, offering essential carbohydrates and antioxidants. Fruits like apples and cherries also make appearances, depending on the bear's location. Additionally, insects, including ants, termites, and beetles, provide a crucial protein source during the warmer months. Autumn. A time of feasting. Autumn marks a critical phase for black bears as they prepare for winter hibernation. This period, known as hyperphagia, is characterized by an intense increase in feeding activity. Bears focus on high-calorie foods to build up fat reserves that sustain them through the winter. During this time, they feed voraciously on nuts from trees such as acorns, hickory nuts, and beech nuts, all of which are energy-dense. In regions with access to salmon-bearing streams, black bears exhibit an impressive ability to catch fish. Their fishing skills are particularly notable during the spawning season, when they stand at the water's edge, waiting to catch migrating salmon. The abundant and nutritious fish provide a significant protein and fat boost to the bear's diet. Winter. Navigating scarce resources. During winter hibernation, which can last several months, black bears rely on their stored fat reserves for sustenance. They don't eat or drink during this time, living off the energy they accumulated during the previous months of feeding. This period of dormancy allows them to conserve energy in the face of scarce food resources and harsh weather conditions. Human interaction and diet. Human influence on the diet of American black bears is notable, often leading to conflicts. These bears are opportunistic feeders and can be attracted to human-associated food sources, such as garbage cans, bird feeders, and improperly stored food. When bears become accustomed to such food sources, it can lead to negative encounters and human-bear conflicts. Efforts to minimize these interactions include educating the public about responsible food storage and waste management practices. Bear-proof containers and properly secured trash receptacles can significantly reduce the likelihood of bears seeking out human food. Behavior. The behavior of the American black bear is a testament to their resourcefulness and ability to thrive in a wide range of environments. These behaviors, honed over millennia, enable them to navigate various challenges, find sustenance, and coexist with other species in their habitats. Territoriality and home range. American black bears exhibit both territorial and non-territorial behaviors, depending on factors such as sex, age, and food availability. While males tend to be more territorial, females and younger bears often have overlapping home ranges. These ranges can vary from several square miles to hundreds of square miles, depending on habitat quality and local resources. Territorial behaviors include scent marking through rubbing trees or leaving scat in prominent locations. This communicates their presence to other bears and can help minimize confrontations by avoiding direct encounters. Climbing and foraging. Black bears are renowned for their exceptional climbing skills, a behavior that aids in foraging for food and avoiding predators. They easily ascend trees to access fruit, nuts, and insects, and they can seek refuge from predators or competitors by retreating to the treetops. Foraging behavior is central to the bear's survival. Their omnivorous diet leads them to search for a variety of food sources, from berries and plants to insects and small mammals. Black bears have a keen sense of smell, allowing them to detect scents from great distances, which aids in locating potential food sources. Social interactions and communication. Black bears are generally solitary animals, with the exception of mothers raising cubs. During mating season, males may compete for the attention of females, engaging in displays of dominance and aggression. Mother bears are fiercely protective of their cubs and will defend them against perceived threats. Communication among black bears primarily revolves around body language, vocalizations, and scent marking. They use vocalizations such as grunts, woofs, and moans to convey emotions and intentions. Scent marking through urine, scat, and rubbing helps establish territory boundaries and convey reproductive status. Hibernation and seasonal adaptations. One of the most remarkable behaviors of the American black bear is hibernation. In regions with harsh winters, black bears enter a state of reduced metabolic activity during which they don't eat, drink, urinate, or defecate. This period of dormancy lasts for several months, helping them conserve energy when food is scarce and weather conditions are severe. Before entering hibernation, bears undergo a period of hyperphagia, consuming large amounts of food to build up fat reserves that sustain them throughout the winter. During hibernation, their heart rate, respiration, and body temperature drop significantly, allowing them to survive on their stored energy. Human interaction and conservation. Human interaction plays a significant role in shaping the behavior of black bears. Bears that become accustomed to human-associated food sources can exhibit risky behaviors, leading to conflicts. To mitigate this, efforts focus on educating the public about responsible behavior in bear habitats, including proper waste disposal and avoidance of direct contact with bears. In conclusion, the behavior of the American black bear reflects their remarkable ability to adapt to various challenges and environments. Their territoriality, climbing skills, foraging behaviors, and interactions with others highlight their unique place in the natural world. By understanding and respecting these behaviors, humans can coexist harmoniously with these magnificent creatures while contributing to their conservation. Conservation and challenges. The American black bear stands as an enduring symbol of the wild landscapes of North America. However, as human activities continue to reshape these landscapes, the conservation of black bear populations has become increasingly important. While their populations are generally stable, several challenges threaten their existence, prompting efforts to ensure their survival for generations to come. Habitat loss and fragmentation. One of the primary challenges faced by American black bears is habitat loss and fragmentation. As urban development, agriculture, and industrial activities expand, natural habitats are reduced, creating isolated pockets of bear populations. This fragmentation limits their ability to find suitable food sources, establish territories, and mate. Conservation efforts often focus on preserving and restoring essential bear habitats. By creating wildlife corridors that connect isolated areas, bears can move more freely and maintain genetic diversity, which is crucial for healthy populations. Human-bear conflicts. Human-bear conflicts arise when bears become accustomed to human-associated food sources, such as garbage, pet food, and improperly stored food. Such interactions can lead to dangerous situations for both humans and bears. When bears lose their fear of humans, it increases the likelihood of confrontations that may result in injury or even death for the bears. Educating the public about responsible behavior in bear habitats is crucial for reducing conflicts. This includes using bear-proof containers for food storage, securing trash, and avoiding feeding bears intentionally or unintentionally. By minimizing the availability of human-associated food, bears are less likely to become habituated to these sources. Climate change and food availability. Climate change presents a complex challenge for black bears by affecting food availability and altering habitat conditions. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can impact the timing of food availability, potentially causing mismatches between the bear's hibernation cycles and the availability of food resources upon emergence. Conservation efforts include studying the impacts of climate change on bear populations and their food sources. By understanding these dynamics, conservationists can develop strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change on bear habitats and populations. Conservation successes. Despite these challenges, many conservation initiatives have yielded positive results. Protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife refuges, provide critical habitats where black bears can thrive. Collaborative efforts among government agencies, conservation organizations, and local communities have led to the implementation of policies that promote responsible bear-human coexistence. Cultural significance. The American black bear holds a profound cultural significance in the hearts and stories of various indigenous communities and modern societies across North America. Revered for their strength, wisdom, and connection to the natural world, black bears have woven themselves into the fabric of human culture, leaving a lasting imprint on literature, art, and myth. Indigenous beliefs and lore. For many indigenous peoples, the black bear holds a special place in their spiritual and cultural beliefs. These bears are often seen as symbols of power, healing, and transformation. In some Native American tribes, the bear is considered a guardian of the forest and is associated with the power of introspection and solitude. Bear ceremonies and rituals are common in indigenous cultures, symbolizing the bear's role as a mediator between the spirit world and the physical world. The bear's ability to hibernate and emerge has inspired stories of resurrection and rebirth. Indigenous people also admire the bear's adaptability to various environments and seasons, which mirrors their own relationship with the land. Modern culture and art. The American black bear's influence extends beyond indigenous cultures and into modern society. In literature, bears often serve as powerful symbols of primal instincts, the wild, and the uncharted territories of the human psyche. Characters like Winnie the Pooh and Smokey Bear have become iconic figures in popular culture, showcasing the bear's ability to capture both innocence and wisdom. In art, black bears frequently feature in paintings, sculptures, and illustrations, embodying themes of nature's majesty and the delicate balance of ecosystems. These representations celebrate the bear's strength and adaptability while also highlighting the importance of preserving the natural world. Conservation and symbolism. The American black bear's cultural significance has also played a role in conservation efforts. As symbols of the wild, these bears have become ambassadors for protecting natural habitats and coexisting harmoniously with wildlife. Their portrayal in media and educational campaigns has helped raise awareness about responsible behavior in bear habitats, including proper waste disposal and avoiding confrontations. The bear's enduring presence in cultural narratives underscores its ability to connect people to the natural world, even in a time when urbanization and technology can create distance from nature. As human societies continue to evolve, the black bear serves as a reminder of the beauty, complexity, and resilience of the natural ecosystems that surround us. In summary, the American black bear's cultural significance is deeply rooted in indigenous beliefs, modern literature, art, and conservation efforts. Its representation as a symbol of power, wisdom, and the wild reflects the timeless connection between humans and the natural world, urging us to appreciate, protect, and coexist with these magnificent creatures. That's all for now, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video and appreciate it, please take a moment to give it a like and write your thoughts and suggestions as a comment, and please help us grow by subscribing to our channel and sharing it to your friends and family.